Hello, my name is Fernando, and welcome to Host2Be Academy. In today's video, I will teach you how to connect Namecheap Domain to DigitalOcean. But first, like this video and subscribe to the channel to support our tutorials. So the first thing we will do is access the Namecheap.com website and enter the sign-in option and access with our logo and password. And within the Namecheap dashboard, we will go to the domain list option on the left side. The next page will show all the domains you have registered. So just choose the domain and click the Manage button. And here the domain page will open and we will go down to the Name Savers option. It will be like Name Servers Basic DNS. Let's click and change it to Custom DNS. And then we'll go down and click on the Add Name Server button. And now what we will do is access the host2be.net website, and here you will have the DigitalOcean name servers. This page is in the description. So just access it and go to the Name Server 1 field, select the name server, copy, and after go back to the Namecheap and go to the Name Server 1 field and press Ctrl-V to paste. After you paste, just return to the Host2Be website, and in the Name Server 2 field, select the name server, press Ctrl-C to copy, return to Namecheap, and paste in the Name Server 2 field. And finally, we will go back to Host2Be, select Name Server 3, and copy. And go back to Namecheap, and in the Name Server 3 field, just paste the name server, and after configuring all DigitalOcean name servers, just go to the right side and click the green Save button. And after you save, your domain is now pointing correctly from Namecheap to DigitalOcean. And what you need to do is wait for this domain to propagate, which takes 4 to 24 hours. And after this time, you can access your domain and it will work correctly with the new name servers. So I hope this video helped you. If it helped you, I ask that you please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, and bye.